If I could be anyone for a day, I think I'd be Billie Eilish because I love performing and she just makes really good music.
I think it would be interesting to live a day in the life of an NFL head coach.
I would be Elon Musk, and then I'll transfer all his assets to myself and be the richest man.
Angel from X-Men, because he has wings and he can fly, and I really want to fly.
Brad Pitt for a day, because he's in so many great movies, and he seems like a pretty cool guy with a great lifestyle.
Michael Jackson, because it's Michael Jackson. How could you go wrong with that?
I would like to be Spider-Man, so I could swing around building to building and get the villains and have some fun, you know, swinging around and webbing.
I would be Taylor Swift because I love her music and she just seems like a very fun person and her life seems really fun.
I'd probably be LeBron James because I'm really into basketball and he's one of my idols, and I think it would be really cool to experience what he does.
Good morning, Mundelein High School. I'm Ollie Martinez.
And I'm Noelle Marks, coming to you from the Media Class TV studio this Friday, October 24th, 2025, with today's Friday Focus. Happy Friday, everyone. Hopefully that question of the day got you thinking. Ollie, who would you be if you could be anyone for a day?
I would be Sabrina Carpenter because I love her music and she's just so cool. Interested in getting free college and getting paid? Stop by the CCRC today during 5th and 6th period to hear more about the CLC's apprenticeship programs from the apprenticeship manager. CLC apprentices get paid full-time salary with benefits and free tuition while gaining excellent experience. Sign up in Schoolings. And if the recent career fair has got you thinking about what you might want to be for the rest of your life, stop in the CCRC and see Mr. Capitas, the experimental education coordinator, who can help you get on the path that you need for your goals. No appointments necessary, and he would love to speak with you.
Next week, MHS is celebrating Red Ribbon Week. The theme for Monday is one school, one goal to stay drug-free. Wear your school spirit wear on Monday. Check your email for a detailed calendar of themes and activities for the week.
With fall sports seasons wrapping up in the next week or two, winter season is just around the corner. If you're not sure about what some of the options out there are to get involved, let's hear from some of the members of the bowling team.
Hi, I'm Mia.
Hi, I'm Paige.
And we've both been a part of the Mundelein High School bowling team for 3 years, and this is going to be our final year bowling, and we've had so much fun.
There's going to be an informational meeting next Wednesday right after school at D16, which is right across from the weight room. It's going to be an informational meeting about the new season, about the new coaches, and I really hope you can be there.
We've been to state the past 2 years, and we really hope that you can be a part of it.
Hope to see you there. Bye!
Looks like a fun and a winning team. Remember, no experience is necessary to join. Speaking of winter sports, the boys swim and dive season is starting soon. We will be having an informational meeting about the upcoming season Wednesday, October 29th at 3:45 in the pool balcony. All returning swimmers and divers should attend, as well as any students interested in joining the team this year. Please reach out to Coach Healy with any questions.
Do you like to build and craft? Mundelein Theater could use your help. Come by A106 after school today and tomorrow to help Mundelein Theater build their set for the fall play Eurydice. There will be adults and students to teach you how to properly build, so don't let the lack of experience get in the way of your attendance. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Marty. She can be found in the English department.
With tonight being the final football game of the season, and Saturday and Sunday being a chance to be outside in the fall colors, maybe you are wondering what the weather will be like. Let's check in with Michael, who is here to tell us what we can expect from Mother Nature.
Thank you, Noelle. Thank you, Ale. Hi, I'm Michael Sager with your weather for today. If you're going out to lunch today, you're looking at a high of 53, so not looking too good, but it is going to be sunny. But tonight, it's going to be even colder. At the pink out game, you might want to wear a pink coat. Make sure you bundle up so you don't freeze. This weekend, it's not looking too hot either. It's going to be pretty cloudy. High of 53 on Saturday, high of 57 on Sunday. If you're looking to go golfing, maybe this weekend's not the one. Remember, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but winter is coming. Thank you for your time. I've been Michael Sager. Back to you, Noelle and Ale.
Thanks, Michael, for that report. The cold weather is coming in, that's for sure. For those of you who are not going out for lunch today, the MHS Drink Oasis is selling root beer and Fanta floats for only $3 today during periods 3 to 5 outside of the cafeteria. Make sure to stop by and grab one for yourself.
One last announcement for the day. The Hope Squad coping strategy of the week is donate. Clean out your closet, find something you don't need, and let someone else find a use for it. Bring something to the Wellness Center to donate for our Welcome Center.
Well, that's all for this week's Friday Focus, everyone. I'm Ale.
And I'm Noelle. Have a great weekend, everybody.